Oh, good one. Well, we're back here for another challenge night. I am running on like 4 hours of sleep. I got up at 5. I got like a peanut butter sandwich and a Dr. Pepper in me. So it might be a struggle today. That's all I know. Son of a... Yes, hold the inside, bud. Hold the inside. Hold the inside. Here, hold the inside. Here we go. Here we go. Damn it. Ow! Okay, well, we got some, that was a great start for me. That was fantastic. That was just fantastic. We got a fun little fast course here. We got 2 Joker laps. Boy, it is bumpy. It is bumpy right now. Okay. Well, I haven't really had time to discuss anything because we've just been battling this whole time. I think I gotta take a Joker lap here. Yeah, we'll just take one now. It's fine. Bruh, you're supposed to put your hand up. That's okay. Who cares? Who cares? Oh, okay, all right, people, all right, okay, good. Oh, goodness. Holy, someone is bashing me through those corners. This is what we like to call a show in the business. Okay, am I going to get a chance to actually learn this course? Because in practice, we did reverse. I also had a cart that wouldn't turn right to save my life. I literally had to, like, start turning and then stab the brakes to have any chance to make curves. So that was fun. Didn't really learn a whole lot because of that. Let's see. Okay, good. You're taking one? Oh. Someone behind me? No? Okay. All right, give me the open space. God, this thing is hopping like a mother trucker. I don't think I'm driving particularly well either. I'm just gonna blame that on the old sleep. So we got excuses out the wazoo today, huh? I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I work with children. Wait, who said that quote? I can't remember.
I'm hurt, and I'm old, and I'm tired, and I work with children.
Man, where's that quote from? I can't remember where I got that quote from. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, well, we've settled in. We're doing our best. Still have a Joker to go. So hopefully Dennis doesn't have one as well. Hopefully he used all of his. I think I'm catching on to how to do that. We're definitely pulling away from the people behind us, which is good. Okay, well, the Joker does not do a whole lot, huh? Oh, no, bud. Oh, man. What a time for you to spin out. All right. Good race. All right, we're back. Qualifying Heat 2. Everyone's real aggressive to start. Oh, my God. Holy moly, brother. Same format as before. Let's see how this goes. Somebody's got to take one here, right? That's hopefully not me. Okay, no one took one. That's surprising. Alright, well, if no one takes one here, then we for sure take one. I'll go with Clay. Let's go, Clay. Let's go, Clay. Oh, are you kidding me? Brother, you gotta put your hand up! I wouldn't have took one if I knew 2 people were taking it. Oh, man, what a disaster. You better go, bud. Get in there. Okay. Okay. I might have to take one, like, right now again. I just, like, please... Ugh. Yep, Clay's right behind me. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Sorry, bud, you got a little loose. Sorry, bud. Oh, we're hopping like mad. Okay. Okay, good. Good. I think I'm doing that part correctly, which is good. The back tires are a little worn, definitely sliding through corners, not really getting a lot of grip, but we're performing well enough that we can keep up. So that's good. I think we're just going to take one. Okay, I know Dennis still has 2, but I was hoping he would I was hoping 14 would avoid taking his, so I could at least get the inside when he decided to take it. That's what we were hoping for. Ugh. What a time for him to get a little loose there, and I couldn't. Okay. All right. Good battle. Where'd all the things go? Where did you put them all?
I didn't touch it.
Did you have 21 before?
What's that?
Did you have 21 before?
Yeah, it sucked.
Great.
Acceleration.
Grand. Wonderful. Where's all the seats?
Right here.
Hey, look, I found him. It's going to be one of those races. I'm on... My seat's already going back. I'm on no sleep. No sleep, Jerry. I think Kramer said that on Seinfeld. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was the opposite. Was it the Kenny Rogers Roasters episode where Jerry was like Jerry was Kramer because he was going crazy from the light? I can't remember. Somebody correct me in the comments. Here we go. We qualified 8th, which is tough. It is very tough. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Same course as before, but now in reverse with 2 Joker laps still. I'm happy about the reverse. I mean, regular was neat, but it wasn't like amazing. It was like fine. All right, good defense, Brian, good defense. Oh my God, Brian. Man. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, goodness. It is aggressive. Oh, boy. It is a little crazy right now. We'll just take one. We'll just take one. Oh no, Brian. Well, that's good. That's not great. Oh, jeez. Okay, all right, good. Good. Okay, well. Okay, well, I figured out we can't go too wide, so that's okay. Boy, we have to make some actual passes. This is a nightmare. This is probably one of my worst nights of racing, just like as a whole vibe. But it was a lot of fun to it was a lot of fun to hang out while racing, so it was still a good time overall. So it's still a good night, still good, even if we end badly here. I don't know what we gotta do here. Like the Joker lap is like, it's oddly not very fast. It feels like it should be faster than it is, but it just like isn't. And then like you went like, see, Dave took one. We're in the same spot, Dave. And I think Drew had this kart earlier. He said the top speed wasn't exactly the best, and I'm kind of seeing that because I feel like I am exiting, like I'm setting up for some moves, but like I just can't close the gap on some of these curves that I need to. Like this one I really need to close the gap on so that I can get to the inside on someone, but I literally just can't. We are destroying that corner. Ooh, it's gonna be a tough night for. It's gonna be a tough finish tonight, huh? I need to be a little more aggressive somewhere. Oh, this could be bad. This could be bad. Okay, all right. Yeah, we can't we can't do that too wide, unfortunately. Yeah, like they just like pull away like right there. Let's just take one now. Okay, we gotta run. We gotta run. Okay, yep. Okay, yep. Oh, goodness. Whew. Entertaining race, at least.